Good afternoon, students. Economics. Last class we are studied measurement of elasticity of demand. Three important methods. First one, percentage method. Second one, total outlay method. Third one, geometrical elasticity. Next one, importance of elasticity demand. Discussion types of elasticity demand curve, types of indifference curve. The types of elasticity demand curve and indifference curve. Next one class, clearly I am use one blackboard, draw a diagram. Clearly I explained this elasticity of demand and next one indifference curve. Okay, today we are discuss about production analysis. Heading is production analysis. The production analysis, the production means four important variables. The factor of that variables is factor of production. Variables means factor of production. The factor of production is land, labor, capital and organization. Land, labor, capital and organization. The factor of production is income is land is what? Rent. Labor means wages. Capital means interest. Organization is profit. That is what? Production analysis. Okay, first introduction. Production is the process of using various material and immaterial input in order to the make output of the consumption. Production process creates economic well-being, the satisfaction of needs of organized from output. Production is the result of the cooperation of four factor of production. Four factor of production. What is four factor of production? Land, labor, capital and organization. In the economic production refers to the creation of or addition of value. It is simply transform the inputs into output. Inputs means one industry input means another one industry that is raw materials. Sugar industry input is what? Sugar can output sugar. That sugar industry based rubbish materials are next one industry that are waste material. Next one industry is that waste material is input only. This is a cyclical process. Next one, production may be a varying levels of the scale of production, influence of cost of production. All the manufacturers are aware that when production of a commodity take a place on larger scale, the average cost means short form is AC. AC means average cost of it is a production is low. This is a reason why the entrepreneur means what? Who is entrepreneur? One individual person, you own knowledge, skill in invest, start, run the business. That person is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means new started the business unit. That person is an entrepreneur. Interested to enlarging the scale of production that is of their commodity. They stands to benefits from the resulting economics of scale, there is also the possibility of making the product available in the market at lower price. The economic scale, there is also a possibility of making the products available in the market at the lower price. The average cost, the production increasing means automatically the more goods in market field is more goods in available. Competition is tough competition. One company is 10 rupees means another company is more creative new advertisement. That company is amount is price is reduced 1 rupee or 2 rupee. Next one company 1 rupees is highest. Consumer nature is one low price means that commodity is very cheap commodity only. Highest price means that commodity is costly commodity. That is consumer mentality. Okay, next one. Features of factors. Features of the factor of production. The factor of production means resources used in the process of production of commodities. There are 4 types of land, labor, capital and organization or enterprises. Here land is represents of natural resources. Land is what? Land is a natural resources. What is free gift? Example, free gift is water, next air, land, sunshine, that is free gift of nature. Such as soil, mineral deposits, seas, rivers, natural forest, fisheries, etc. Laborers represent human resources. Note, underline students, labor represent human resources. India is a more human resources country. More laborers, more available in what? Human resources. Together, these two factors is called a primary factor of production. The main two factor is what? Human resources and natural resources. Human resources and natural resources is a main primary factor of production. These two factors produce some units of goods for the purpose of consumption, and the consumption of these goods take place. There is the possibility of some these goods getting the leftover. Some leftover means there is some goods is market field is goods is very rate is very costly, or but consumers that good is not like means automatically leftover. Automatically that field that company is production automatically reduce, but consumers more want means that automatically production is increase. Same that time price also same increase. The savings is a production means consumption. The saved of amount is called a capital, which serves in investment in the production process. Also, organization or enterprises is a special form of labor. This is a third and fourth factors are called a secondary factor of production. The fourth one is capital and what? Capital and organization. Capital and organization. First one, what? Labor and natural resources. That is primary factors. Students wrote it down. Primary factors what? One word or some 2 mark inside 2 mark question. What is Primary factor of production. Primary factor of production is two factors. That is one, natural resources and labor. Second one, what is secondary factor of production means? One, secondary factor of production is capital and organization. Next, these four factors depends on each other. They have a coordinated impact. Impact means what? Some effect on production of goods and service. The four, land, labor, and capital and organization, human resources, is the four coordinate impact of the production means automatically production increase. Any one variable is shortage means total organization, total cyclical processes totally affected. Any one not available means totally the cyclical process is totally affected. Next one, first is land. The ordinary sense, land refers to the soil or surface of the earth or ground. But in economics and land means all gift of the nature. Land is one gift of the nature. Note it down, students. Land is a gift of the nature. The nature owned, controlled by human being, which yield an income. Land is the original sources of all material wealth. The economic prosperity of country depends on the richness or of our natural resources. The quality and quantity of agriculture wealth are determined by the nature of the soil, climate, and rainfall. Nature of what? Agriculture wealth are determined by nature of soil, climate, and rainfall. The agriculture products are the basis of trade and industry. The industry survives on the availability of the coal and mine or waterfall for electricity production in all aspects of economic life like agriculture. Economic life like agriculture. Trade and industry are generally influenced by natural resources which are called as land in economics. The main factor of production, first one is land. Land is a agriculture wealth. Now, land is agricultural wealth. Wealth means what? Properties. Wealth. The agriculture depends upon agriculture and industry. Agriculture depends upon industry. Industry depends upon agriculture. Some agriculture production is only finished product in industry only. Finished product only in industry. Sugar cane is agriculture product, but its finished product only depends upon industry. The trade and industry are generally influenced by natural resources which are called land in economics. Next one, the characteristics of land. Land is a primary factor of production. Two primary factor of production. First one is what? Land and labor or human resources. Land or human resources, that is primary factor of production. Next one, land is a positive factor of production. Land is a positive means land, different types of land means land is cultivating in only positive things only. That is, land is a positive factor. Land is a free gift of the nature. Free gift. Land is a free gift. Only land, no. Land, air, water, sun, sea, that and all what? Free gift. Land has a no cost of production. No cost. Land means Land is a nature of free gift. Land is your protection. No, land is a no expense for cost of production. Land is fixed in supply. Land in fixed in supply means 1 acre means 50 kg by 50 kg of rice production means fixed. Here number of years or number of month, number of years use the land means same production only. That is fixed supply in elasticity supply. Land is permanent. Land is permanent. Land is yearly once change in place. No. Land is a permanent place. Land is a immovable. Land is a immovable property. Land is a heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means different types of land. Different types of land is a heterogeneous. Listen students, first one is land is a primary factor of production. Second one is a positive of production. Third one, free gift of nature. Next one, no cost of production. No cost. Land is a fixed supply. Every year same production only, supply only. Land is a permanent. Land is a immovable property. Next one, land is a heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means different types of land. It is difference in fertility. Next one, land as a alternative uses. Land as a alternative. Alternative means one time is one type of good production. Next one time means some fruits or vegetables. Different goods production. That is a land is a alternative uses. Next one, land is a subject of law of diminishing returns. Law of diminishing returns means what? Marginal. Land is a marginal utility equal to 0. Marginal utility, marginal production equal to 0. MP equal to 0. MP equal to 0 means land is more labor. 1 acre is 10 laborers working means 25 kg rice only production. But utilizing more supply, more laborers means 10 to 50 laborers you use means production same only. That is marginal production equal to 0. Agriculture is marginal production equal to 0. But industry 10 laborers work in 100 units means next 20 laborers in laborers increase means automatically production increase at 10 to 200 unit production is increase. That is land is a subject of law of diminishing. Land is marginal productivity 0, but industry means input increasing means automatically production increase. But land input increase means no supply is same only, constant level only. Land is a subject of law of diminishing. Diminishing means what? The level every year decreasing. Diminishing means decreasing the level. Decreasing the level means diminishing. The diminishing returns. Okay students, the factor of production, first two is a primary factor of production, land and labor or human resources. Next one is what? Secondary production, factor of production is capital and organization. Capital and organization. The 4 factors of land, labor, this lesson. Land, labor and capital and organization, the 4 important factors. Next one, the free gift. Free gift. Land is a free gift of nature. Land is free gift of nature. Okay, students. Every day, each topic you finish with that day you thorough. To next day postpone means your work burden is heavy. Okay, students. Next one class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you, students.